All right, Tubesters. In two bets, I got the honor of working on the 66 Impala. And of course, we can't leave too much unfinished business. So, customer stated, man, if we could go ahead and hook up his vintage air for him while we got all the interior and stuff out. So, being the guy that he was, man, I went ahead and took on the job for him, man. He made a special request, and I had to look out for my guy, Big T. So, he did order the kit. He ordered everything from Vintage Air. I mean, he ordered a complete kit from the brackets to every single thing that came with it for a 65 through 66 Impala, which definitely makes it a lot easier for us. Um, ain't making no 65 through 66 Impala. So, like you say, that definitely makes it easier for us. They come with all the bracketry and the mounts where everything goes, and it comes with great detailed instructions. So, now that I got a few of the brackets on, got the dryer mounted, the top mount bracket. Now I'll be lubing it up with all of the lube and all of the O-rings that comes with the kit as well. So we did take that the inner box off. We did take the inner box off, which left it with nothing here. Probably can't see it because it's dark, but okay, like you say, man, we took the inner box off, which leaves nothing here. So we'll come back and close off those two holes there, which will no longer be needed. And we'll also mount his unit. We'll mount his unit up under the dash, drill a few holes for the new hoses to come in. And this is here is just that's just that factory cover. So it comes with a new plate as well. So we'll get that thing there installed and get that box up under there. And hopefully we'll run all new vents, all of the new vents on the dash, and hopefully blow him some snowballs here shortly. Like you say, man, it's definitely coming along real nice. Super clean, man. We did a distressed wine with black stitching on this one. He wanted to go back factory as possible with the 66 look. So that's what we was aiming for on this one here. We did a wine colored interior carpet. So we'll also be doing some black seat belts to accent it as well. And like you say, man, we just tried to do it as factory as possible and as clean as possible. Put all of the factory stuff back on it. And my guy here, man, he ordered everything for the car. All of the doors are sewn back on factory with the factory pleats on it. He ordered new handles. Man, he been waiting to bring this car for a while. He got a fresh black top on it. So if you're gonna go ahead and pre-do it, do it like my boy Big T, man. He ordered the nut and bolt kit, everything that could go with it, the clips for all of the trimming. Man, he ordered his gauges, weather stripping. He had everything ready to go in the box, all of the emblems that goes on the car. So the time frame definitely speeds it up. He even had it dynomated already. So we're going to do two 12 Rockford P3s in the back. He got some MB Quart 6.5, so we'll be building a nice little custom console for that. Putting a couple speakers in the front, a couple speakers in the back, and like you say, two amps, one for the mids and highs and one for the subs, of course. We're going to wall everything off, make it look nice and neat, throw some carpet back down on the bottom, build some nice flush panels, and of course, you know, we got to throw some LED lights back here in the back in the trunk as well. So Boy, what y'all know about them ICWs? What y'all know about them throwbacks? He on them throwbacks for now. But we gonna get him something. Like you say, man, new handles, new locks, new mirrors, new emblems. He got all the new trim. Everything you can name, he pretty much went ahead and pre-got for the car, which what he could. New grill, headlight bezels, headlights. So my guy gonna come through, man, and do the finish doing the wiring. Go ahead and wire everything up. So we'll be pulling that back seat out one last time, running all the wires through it. And once we do that part, shoot, it's a wrap from there. Of course, you know, we got to throw some lights on the console. We're going to probably end up doing either red or white lights. I'm not typically sure yet on the color, what we're going to do on that one there. But should be clean, man. Like I say, now we're just getting all of the windows adjusted. We got one more. He had to order some rollers for that one over there, which I called him, and shoot, he came running within a couple days. Boy, I got your rollers. So that definitely helps speed up the process. But light work. Got his radio here. He got all his radio, brought all his speakers, all new weather stripping. Like I said, he missing a L here, so we're gonna have to figure out something to tighten these up on here. But that's easy peasy. But like I say, man, back to the vintage air system, man. I'm actually reading the directions on here, so I'm trying to make it easier for myself on how this goes back together, man. Usually we do a universal kit, but I'm gonna follow their instructions and hopefully everything should do exactly as it is planned to do. They send you the oil, so I'll lube everything up, start putting all of the hard lines on, running it to the condense. Well, we got to put the bracket on for the AC compressor. We got to put that bracket on. Once we put that bracket on, we'll be able to run all the lines to that. Make it pretty simple and easy. Like I say, after this, man, we're going to see if we can get this thing wet sand and buff on, bring some shine back out, and hopefully get him some wheels, man. I'm trying to talk him into getting some oversized rallies for it. I think some oversized rallies would kill on this car. But when that top go down, boy, it's over with. So shout out to my guy, Big T, man. Appreciate the love and the business. So, and we finna do something together. But that's about that on that, man. Like you say, man, I'm finna go eat a little lunch, come back, get this thing here installed, and I'll show y'all what it looks like and how it blows in the view. And of course, he got his he got the controller that goes right back into the factory location. So easy. All the nuts and bolts. In the meantime, he definitely need a battery. Boy, I think this battery been in here since '93. But easy, man. We'll get these gauges in, get that locked in, build this console, flush off this trunk, and boy, you know they look better going than coming. I'm gonna be back in a minute, man. In the meantime, in between time, y'all catch me on the flip side. Sheesh.